Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we will unbox these 1:12 motorcycle by Maisto. I bought these at Winners at $10 a piece. So every year Winners, they're selling these bikes, assembly line cars by Maisto. They also have assembly line motorcycle, but I got these two at one of the Winners location in my area, and I'm surprised they have this one this year. So we got a Suzuki V Strom 1000 and KTM 1290 Super Duke R. So let's start with this one. I'm starting to collect this one now, because I usually have 1:18 scale, but now I have this one. My 1:12 motorcycle is getting bigger by number, so I guess it will be my tradition every year now to go Winners to collect these, because that's the only place I can buy these scale, well, except online. So let's open this one. The box is pretty nice actually. It's totally branded by KTM with little Maisto logo. Yeah, and it has a base. That's the good thing, it has a base, because most of the motorcycle 1:12 scale I have came from assembly line, which is the one you need to build. But this one have a base, which is nice. And how to open, I don't know. Has a tape and it won't let go. Okay, now let go. Ta-da! So sticky. My very first diecast, if you guys remember sorry about the shakiness, I only have a monopod with me. The first diecast model that I have is a motorcycle, which started all. My wife gave me, and you know the story if you're following my YouTube channel. So here it is, KTM 1290 Super Duke R on 1:12 scale. I know maybe we don't need to remove it from the base, which is easier to hold. Yeah. So it's nice, actually it's nice. I've seen a real one, and I'm super stoked how aggressive it looks. And too much corners, too much contour. I don't know about the aerodynamics of this motorcycle, but it looks aggressive. So as you can see, it's a 1290, which means it's over 1000cc motorcycle. And that's my wife right there. And yeah. Nice. Nothing to say, just take a look, appreciate. Nice orange color. Actually KTM has a different perspective in terms of styling, because if you notice, all the KTM motorcycle, they have too much corners, too much contour. Well, it's like that. You know it's KTM when you see a motorcycle like that. So the next one will be the Suzuki V Strom. Oh, let me show you the box. This is also branded by Suzuki. The box, Suzuki logo everywhere. It's a touring bike. which is good to display alongside with my BMW 12RR. I don't know why they put too much tape on this one. It's not gonna go anywhere. Yeah. So also we're not gonna remove it from the base. Just take a look. It's a V Strom 1000, so 1000cc touring bike. Nice big exhaust. The engine is so small for 1000cc compared to this one. Look, nice big headlight. I don't know what year, but if you know, comment down below. I'm not sure. I'm not familiar with Suzuki's touring bikes. So yeah, nice. So this is it. This is the two motorbikes that will be included on my motorcycle collection. I also have two more from assembly line. Please stay tuned to that. And hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, don't forget to hit the like button. If you love this video, please share it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.